Hello, in this lecture we're going to define the term of a service company. According to Fundamental Accounting Principles, Wild 22nd edition, the definition of a service company is organization that provides services instead of tangible assets. So we're an organization, usually a business, that's going to provide services rather than the tangible assets being usually inventory. So we don't have inventory, we are charging for the services we have rather than those tangible assets generally being inventory. Types of service companies could include computer repairs. If we're in the service company of repairing the computer, we are usually going to bill and get paid for our time in terms of the repairing service. We might have some type of landscaping service, same type of concept. We're going to get paid for the service of landscaping, no tangible assets or inventory. In that case, we could have a legal service, a bookkeeping service, same type of thing. We're going to do the work. We're usually going to get paid for our time. It is possible for us to have companies that have a service portion and an inventory portion, so it's the line between a service company and a company that provides inventory, a merchandising company, or even a manufacturing company may not be as distinct, but we need to keep it separate in our minds in terms of what constitute an activity in terms of a business organization that is service related and what constitute a business activity that relates to inventory. Also important to note that the income statement will usually be a bit more simple in terms of a service company because we're usually just going to have revenue minus expenses giving us net income, as opposed to if we're talking about the income statement for a manufacturing company or a merchandising company where we might have another subcategory which is going to calculate cost of goods sold and gross profit, which will be net sales minus the cost of goods sold, giving us that gross profit. So the service company usually has a bit more simplified income statement in that case with less subcategories to get to that bottom line net income.